Hey y'all, so I am back with another video and I just want to do a really quick simple hairstyle for you guys. I am going to take my puff down first and I'm going to do it actually very carefully just to make sure that one of my little curls is wrapped up in an elastic band because that would not be fun for me. I'm actually starting on an old wash and go, so if you want to see how I achieved it, you can actually check out my last video, which is my winter routine and how to do my wash and go. So I'm kind of just gonna shake my hair out a little bit. It was getting a little bit flat, and I definitely need some volume for this hairstyle. So what I'm going to do is create a part at just one side of my head. Side is up to you, it doesn't really matter, but I'm gonna make sure that it is as straight as it could possibly get. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I do want it straight. And from this point, since that section is a little bit big in my opinion, I'm going to split it into two. And I'm going to pin the rest of my hair out of the way just so it doesn't get in the flat twist. And this isn't a detailed video on how to flat twist, but if you do want that, you all can just let me know and I will definitely do that for you. I am just kind of going to place my hands in the correct form and start flat twisting. And I'm going to do it all the way down and then curl the end. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side of the section. And I am curling the bottom yet again. And from this point, I'm going to take out the bobby pin that was holding the rest of my hair out of the way and fluff. I'm going to take the bobby pin and put it in the center of the flat twist just to hold it and make sure they don't come unraveled or anything like that. You can leave it like this if you want to, but I wanted something a little bit more. So I'm just going to add these cuffs that I actually got from my local beauty supply. They're really inexpensive. I think it's $1.99 per pack. And I'm just gonna put them on each flat twist. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks again for watching. I'll see you all soon. Bye.